Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn how we can just remove the age restriction on YouTube. So it is pretty quick and easy. Let's get started. The first thing you have to do is just open up your YouTube, and then just you have to go to your profile icon, which is present on the right side top, and then go to the settings, and then go to the general, and just scroll all the way down, and you can see that there's a restriction mode. This restriction mode helps hide potential mature video. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. Means the settings which have been made, this is applied to the device you are right using. So just to remove the age restrictions, you have to just turn off this restriction mode. Now your age restriction will be removed from your YouTube, and you can just see the more advanced videos or without any filter videos on YouTube. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you, and if you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.